Well, my name is David Yong. I'm a senior in BFPE. Our project in senior design is a public bread facility.
My name is Benjamin Hall. I'm also a senior in BFPE.
Priscilla Coda, Ruth Pinto.
So now that you have this project on par-baked bread facility, maybe you can start out with telling us what is par-baked bread and why is it important?
Public bread is important because it has two different benefits on it. It takes traditional bread making industry to a different level by frozen it partially, and by partially baked it has a longer shelf life and also it says a lower cost. The reason we did a market study between par-baked or frozen product between traditional bakery. We see there's a 10 million gap, and where this 10 million profit we can get, that's the reason we want to do the senior design project.
So Ben, what companies are interested in bringing up this facility or producing it?
Well, really any company could potentially do par-baked bread because it's actually coming into the market now. It'd be a large customer base because now everybody's on the run. Nobody really has time to bake a fresh little bread every time they want to have some dinner. So eventually a customer, a company such as Kroger, who is one of the plants we visited, would make a par-baked bread product which you could put in your freezer for 6 months, and if, say one night you want to have a nice fresh loaf of bread, you pop it in the oven for 20 minutes and you've got it right there. And that would be opposed to having to go out to the store, buy fresh bread there, or which would go bad in a few days if you didn't eat it all. So actually it's great for the recent trend towards fresh products also, and busy lifestyles.
Thank you, Ben. So Priscilla, so what did you learn most from this experience?
Well, I learned a lot about the whole process of making bread and how that applies to different industries, like the whole fermentation and even baking and freezing. Everything can apply to different industries. And it's also fun to work with something that you can actually bake and you can actually see the final results right in front of you within a few hours. So that was really fun.
Great, thank you. And the last question is for Ruth. So what was the most engineering challenge you faced in this project?
The biggest engineering challenge we had in this project was that we were trying to optimize our procedures to have the best quality bread, the lowest cost, and the lowest energy usage. So we really had to take into account many different factors. We took into account processing conditions, and we took into account the different kinds of equipment we were going to use, and we had to do calculations to find out the best ways to save energy and money.